Introducing CTI KnowledgeBase,
a practical learning portal built to support system integrators and industry professionals. Access practical tutorials, technical guidance, and real-world knowledge designed to help reduce learning time, minimize trial and error, and improve project execution confidence. Simply visit our website, click KnowledgeBase, register your account. Once approved, an email notification will be sent to you. You may then log into the knowledge base using your username and password and gain access to valuable resources once approved. Explore step-by-step tutorials such as AVEVA Plant SCADA guidance, created to support real engineering and implementation needs. Stronger knowledge creates stronger delivery. Join the CTI Knowledge Base today.